Hello DIYers, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, you're welcome. If you're returning, you're welcome as well. On today's recipe share, we're going to be making okra soup and I'll be walking you through the whole process. So first things first, I had some chicken in the fridge, so I just brought it out and I added some Kpomo and dried fish to it. If you're using, uncooked chicken, then you start the process from scratch. But because I already had that in the fridge, I didn't need to start from scratch. So this is me just mixing it up and I allowed that to cook. So next thing, you're going to add some grounded pepper. So this is a mixture of Tatashe and some Scotch bonnet pepper. Then you go in with some red oil or palm oil, going with some crayfish, and then you just give that a good mix and allow that to boil for a bit before adding your okra. So at this point, you're going to go in with your grated okra. You can decide to grate it or cut it or blend it however you want it. But in this case, I grated it. This is often how I prepare okra. So you're going to carefully combine and just mix it up. And then you're going to add some potash. Now, this is the catch. Adding potash helps your okra to draw and it also prevents any heartburn, because some people actually have heartburns whenever they eat okra. So whenever you do that and you add a little bit of potash, that is completely taken care of. You're not adding so much, just a few drops and you're good to go. And if you notice that your soup is a bit too thick, you can add a little bit of water and then just loosen it up. Or if you still have more of your stock, you could just go ahead as well and add it and get the consistency that you want. Then we're going to be adding some ugu leaves or pumpkin leaves, and you're just going to mix that up and mix it properly to combine, and you're going to allow that to simmer on low heat so that it can cook. And once that's ready, you notice that I didn't add any seasoning because I had already put all of the seasoning and spices, to the meat stock prior to when I started cooking. So you can feel free to pair this with whatever form of swallow that you like, be it fufu, pounded yam, tuwon masara, tuwon shinkafa, whatever the case may be, eba. Just do it with whatever you like and it's going to be delicious. So I hope you found this helpful, and I'd love to know if this is how you normally prepare okra or if you've never made it this way. And if you have any questions, you can drop it in the comment section and I'll respond to it. Please subscribe to our channel if you haven't, and I'll see you in my next post. Thanks for watching. Bye.